iPhone not receiving incoming calls and how to fix that. If your iPhone is not receiving incoming calls, it can be due to various reasons such as network issues, software problems, or setting configuration. So here is how to fix this. First of all, open the Settings app on your mobile device and make sure that airplane mode is turned off. If airplane mode is on, tap it to turn off. Alternatively, you can open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner or swiping up for earlier models and toggle off the airplane mode. Now, once done so, scroll down and ensure that you have a strong signal or are connected to Wi-Fi calling if necessary. If you are in an area with weak signal, move to a place with better reception. After that, simply tap on the General option available in Settings. Once inside the General, tap on the Software Update. Then, if an update is available, tap Download and Install. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. After that, go back to the General and scroll down till the bottom. And there you will get to see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Simply tap on it. Then tap on the Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. If the issue persists, resetting your network settings might help. This will reset Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings, and VPN settings, but it may fix call-related problems. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.